Its LED touchscreen display, its sleek white finish, and 360-degree cylindrical design make Levoit LV-H133 Tower HEPA air purifier stand out from the competition. But there's more to this air purifier than meets the eye. A lot more. Its efficient 3-stage filtration system starts with a fine preliminary filter. Small airborne bacteria are trapped by the true HEPA filter. The activated carbon filter eliminates pet odors and other household odors. The top-grade engine design creates an air vortex that improves the purifier's efficiency and helps distribute more clean air throughout the room. When all is said and done, the LV-H133 protects your home from 99.97% of pollutants. Breathe in the freshness as it covers up to 538 square feet. It's more than capable of handling your living room, office, or kitchen. The LV-H133 also makes a great addition to the bedroom. Its unique bionic shock absorption design reduces noise and extends the life of the engine. This means that it keeps your air clean throughout the night, without waking you up. Stay up to date on the quality of the air around you, with the Air Quality Indicator ring that changes color. Auto mode allows the LV-H133 to automatically adjust the fan speed based on the air quality in the room. So, no matter what life throws at you, whether it's dust or pollen, lingering odors from cleaning the house, or the smell of furry friends, the LV-H133 will keep your air clean where it matters most. So sit back and breathe easy. The LV-H133 is on the job.
We could all use a hand when we're not feeling well. With its convenient top-fill design and 2-in-1 functionality, the Dual 100 is here to help relieve unpleasant cold and allergy symptoms. The top-fill water tank is always easy to fill, even when you're under the weather. The ultra-fine mist humidifies the air without fogging the room or dampening furniture. The Dual 100 doubles as a diffuser, infusing the air with soothing fragrances. Add your favorite essential oils to the base of the humidifier when you want to relax. Intelligent Sleep Mode turns off the display lights and automatically regulates humidity, letting you get some rest, while the Dual 100 works quietly. And if the humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it will automatically shut off. Thoughtfully constructed, the humidifier is safe for kids and adults alike. No matter where you put it, the Dual 100 will make a difference, creating a healthy atmosphere for you and your loved ones.
When it comes to the quality of your air, a lot goes into keeping contaminants out. Featuring 360 degrees of filtration,
a noise-reducing shock pad, and a powerful, energy-efficient motor. The Core 300 captures allergens, odors, and airborne bacteria with 3 unique filters. Each piece is an essential part of the beautiful device. All it needs is a home. That's where you come in. The Core 300 covers up to 215 square feet and 20 square meters, making it perfect for medium-sized living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Our filters capture pollen, pet dander, as well as smoke and unpleasant odors. Choose between 3 fan speeds and 4 timer settings, depending on the needs of your environment. Want something quieter? Turn on sleep mode when it's time for bed. The Core 300 is guaranteed to make your home healthier.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV-H132 Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV-H132, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV-H132 uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV-H132 covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV-H132 is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.